Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the methods in Java. Then now we will start the detail about the methods. A method is a block of code or a collection of statements or a set of code grouped together to perform a certain task or operation. It is used to achieve the reusability of a code. We write a method once and use it many times. We do not require to write code again and again. It also provides the easy modifications in the readability of code. Just by adding or removing a chunk of code, the method is executed only when we call or invoke it. Then we will discuss about the method declaration. The method declaration provides information about method attributes such as visibility, return type, name, and the other one is arguments. It has 6 components that are known as a header, as we have shown in the as we will discuss in the now. Method signature. Every method has a method signature. It is a part of the method declaration. It includes the method name. It includes the method name and the parameter list. Then the access specifier. Access specifier or modifier is the access type of the method. It specifies the visibility of the method. Java provides 4 types of access specifier. Then first one is the public. The method is accessible by all classes when we use the public specifier in our application. Then private. When we use a private access specifier, the method is accessible only in the classes in the which it is defined. Then the protected. When we use protected access specifier, the method is accessible within the same package or subclass in a different package. Then the default. When we do not use any access specifier in the method declaration, Java uses default access specifier by default. It is visible only from the same package only. Then we will discuss about the predefined method. In Java, predefined methods are the method that is already defined in the Java class libraries is known as the predefined methods. It is also known as the standard library method or built-in method. We can directly use these methods just by calling them in the program at any point. Then the second one is the user-defined method. The method written by the user or programmer is known as the user-defined method. These methods are modified according to the requirement. These are all about the 2 types of methods in the Java. First one is the predefined method and second one is the user-defined method. Thank you.